Hello friends and students. One of my friends sent me an isosceles triangles question on WhatsApp. In the beginning when I saw this problem, it was looking simple, but in fact it was not. I found it very challenging like other 80-80-20 isosceles triangles challenging problems. So before looking at the solution, pause the video and once try yourself. Here is the question. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. Base angles are 80-80 and the vertex angle is 20 degree. BD bisects angle ABC and we have to find the value of angle ADO. Before finding the required angle ADO, I'll do some constructions and we'll discuss some results. So AB is equal to AC, BD is angle bisector of angle ABC, draw CE angle bisector of angle BCA. So this is 40, this is also 40, this is 40, this is 40. So this is 40 degree and this is 80 degree. So this will be 60 degree and hence this will also be 60 degree. And this is in center, actually intersection point of the angle bisectors. But AB is equal to AC and EBD and DCE both are congruent triangles because angle side or angle side by these two are congruent triangles, and if it is congruent then this part only EB is equal to this. Since this is equal to this and this side is equal to this whole, the remaining AE is equal to AD, and since this is 20 degree and this AED and ADE are isosceles again, so this will also be 80-80, and it means this is parallel to this because this is 80 and this is 80, so these two are parallel. Now this is 40 and this is parallel to this, so this will also be 40, and similarly this is 40, so this will be 40. It means 40 and 40. It means EBD will also be an isosceles triangle, and similarly EDC is an isosceles triangle. It means EB is equal to ED is equal to DC. Now taking E as the center of the circle and taking EB as radius, draw a circle. And similarly from this point taking DC or DE, draw another circle. So these two circles will intersect at this point P. Now join EP and DP. So EP is the radius of this circle, and DP is the radius of this circle, but ED is the common radius. It means all the three sides are equal. It means triangle EPD is an equilateral triangle. All these are equal. So this is 60 degree, this is 60 degree, and this will also be 60 degree. Now this is 80 degree, this is 60 degree, this is 40 degree, and this only is 60 degree. So 60, 40, 60, it will be 160. So this angle will be 20 degree. Now join AP. Join AP. In triangle APE and APD, AP is common in both. PE is equal to PD and AE is equal to AD. Therefore these two triangles will also be congruent, and this angle is 10. This angle is 10. Now join PC. Join PC. So this PD is equal to DC because D is the center of this circle and DP and DC are radii, so these two are equal. But this is 20 degree, so this angle will be 10 and this angle will be also 10 because exterior angle property. This is equal to sum of the two remote interior angles, so 10 and 10. So only this angle is equal to 10 degree. Now consider triangle APC. This angle is 10. This angle just now found 10. So it means it is an isosceles triangle again, where PA is equal to PC. PA is equal to PC. Similarly, if we join, so PA is equal to PB. It means PA is equal to PB is equal to PC. It means this P point is nothing but the circumcenter of the triangle. Circumcenter of the triangle ABC. It means angle ADP is nothing but angle ADO. So therefore angle ADO is equal to 20 degree. And this is the answer. Thank you for watching this video and for your support.